Hey guys, yesterday morning when I'm wandering in my garden, I observed that one of my plant is infected by some disease. Then I thought to make a video on that. I have this curryleaf plant which is infected by mealybugs. Actually, this problem is also common in hibiscus. So before I jump on to the solution of what you supposed to do, I would really like you to understand why this mealybug appears on your plant and what is the basic science behind them. You are a gardener or you like keep plants to know what is going around, so I will try and explain very quickly. See, these mealybugs are very soft body insects. Now if you have mealybugs in your garden, I'm sure you have also seen an ants in your garden, and lots of people complains that I have ants, I have treated them with so many chemicals and nothing is happening. Interestingly, these ants and these mealybugs have a very good relationship. What happens? These aphids, they sit on stems and the leaves of the plant and get sugar substance. Basically, the plant food out of the plant. So now these mealybugs offer the sugar food to the ants, and ants in return give them a protection. So they have a mutual understanding. As a result, it is very difficult to rid of these mealybugs. Because these mealybugs are that no other insect come and feeds on them, and these mealybugs will keep giving them food. You can use shampoo or you can use hand wash or detergent. Just you need to use 3 ml of any shampoo or detergent or hand wash in 1 liter of water for this. You need to use 3 ml of any shampoo or hand wash. I am using here a hand wash in 1 liter of water. For this, I recommend this spraying bottle. The concentration of the shampoo is in this water. Could also depends on how intense the problem is. Stop कर. इसमें मत लेना. Spray it on your plant. Spray it nicely under the leaves or on the stems which is infected. Stop कर. Within 2 to 3 hours, you would notice that these mealybugs starts dying, and also the number of ants would reduce heavily. Now a tip for using the solution is to do this in the evening or at night. The reason is because the most of the plant's activity, that is making its food or evaporation and everything happening mostly in the daytime, and the sun is also intense. So if you cover it with this shampoo or hand wash and that solution all over it, will disturb the plant's daily activity and also might kill it. So don't do this in the morning, do it in the evening. And what you have to do the other day before the sun is up, like before 12 o'clock afternoon, use the plain water to wash off all the solution. So by the time the sun will be up, your plant became healthy, and once you done the thorough spray, you can you can just check the leaves properly, both sides, under, on the stems. You would see that mealybugs have reduced a lot on the plant. Okay, even if this once treatment does not reduce number of mealybugs, you can do this again within a week. You can also use organic shampoo or hand wash if you want. For me, I think the shampoo or this hand wash is fine because I am using in very less amount, and I am not really putting as water to the plants. It just sprayed on the leaves and then washed away. Some of it while you wash it also goes into the soil, but it's very small amount. I don't think it will have a major impact on the plant, but you still want to be absolutely sure. You can use organic detergent or hand washes, and 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 before you leave for today, guys, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that red button. Thanks for watching.